How do you do, GPOC crew? It's your Nutty Buddy Putty here, and today I'm going to show you how you can earn money on Google to use on YouTube to donate and get membership. Now, I understand this seems too good to be true, but Google themselves give you this option with Google Opinion Rewards. Now, what's Google Opinion Rewards? Well, simply it's surveys that give you money through Google Pay. And here's how it works. You must get on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your Google account that you use on YouTube. I can't stress this enough. Make sure you're logged into the Google account email that you use on YouTube. Then follow the link in the description below of this video called Google Opinion Rewards. It will have the download to the app, and that app will have a blue box with a small trophy symbol inside of it. Now again, make sure to log into your account that you wish to use on YouTube. Again, I know I'm stressing this amount, but a lot of people mess up and don't log into the account they use on YouTube. Make sure you logged into the account you use on YouTube. Now, once you're logged in, you'll see this screen. Now, on the top, you can see your current Google Play balance. And now, of course, since you're new, it will have a $0 balance. Next, below that Google Play balance, you will see that where it says My Task. Now, if you currently do not have a survey available, it'll be different. But if you do have a survey available, then it'll be in blue. The first text will say New Survey Available. Below that, it will state how long until the survey expires. If you do not do the survey within the expiration date, then it will go away. Keep in mind, the surveys are not always available at certain times, so periodically check to see if one is available. Now, when you do have a survey available, then click on it and proceed with completing the survey. Don't worry, they're very simple and usually apply to something you've either done on Google or YouTube. If you'd like to see how this is in real time, then let me show you. So again, on the top here, you see I have a $0 balance on Google Play. And I have a new survey available, but it will expire in 3 hours. So I then click on the blue box where it says Answer Survey on the bottom right. Now, for this one, it's going to ask me about one of my recent Google searches. Make sure to pick OK, got it on the bottom right of your phone. So for the purpose of the video, I recently searched up how to add money to your Google account. And ironically, my survey is about that same search that I did today. Now keep in mind, always answer honestly. I can't stress this enough. It tells Google that they are speaking with the right person, and when you're honest, the rewards are greater. So hit the checkbox stating how to add money to your Google account and hit the next button. Now again, this is a survey for me. Your survey would be quite different than mine, but make sure you answer honestly. I can't stress that enough. Now at this point, it will ask about how helpful my search was and what my best options are in the searches. For me, both options were helpful. Now, just to make matters short, I basically answered everything correctly and honestly. And because I answered honestly, you can see right here, I got a credit of 42 cents added to my Google Play account. Now, if you look at the top where it says Google Play balance, it shows the 42 cents. And now under my task, I no longer have any surveys available. And this is what it will look like when you have no surveys available. Now, you might be asking, how can I use this money to donate or become a member on YouTube? And let me show you. Now, we will be using my buddy RLG as an example. And I will do this with a Super Chat sticker. And of course, I will also show you how you can also use a membership. But as far as the Super Chat sticker and the Super Chat, they work the same, except in Super Chat, you actually type a message out. So when you're in live chat, click on the little money symbol beside the emoji seen here. You'll then get the option of Super Sticker, Super Chat, or Membership. Now, of course, I'm already a member, so it gives me the option to post a free member milestone chat. But we don't have to worry about that today. First, let's do a super sticker. Now, once you choose a super sticker you want to donate, you will see this screen that says complete your purchase with the amount. Now, you notice I have $5 in my Google Pay, which is actually one of the reasons I got the example survey shown earlier. But for you, it might show your current debit or credit card on file, or may want you to add a payment option. This is where you'll find the option to select Google Pay. But keep in mind, if you do not have enough money on your Google Pay account, it will show up saying insufficient funds. But you can clearly see that I have $5 on this account, but I will show you what happens when you actually have insufficient funds. Now, keep in mind that as long as you have money on your Google Pay account, that you can donate and get membership. It's as simple as that. Now, you only have one extra step when it comes to getting membership. So let me show you an example of that here. See, when you click on the little money symbol, you'll see where it says membership. Now, when you click on that, it will take you to an option to pick which membership you want on the left. And then once you pick what membership you want, you push the blue button that says join on the right. Now, this time I do not have enough money on my Google Play account, and it's showing my Visa card here instead. Now, I'm not going to get membership, but this is an example, and I'm not going to, of course, show my card number. But if you click on that current card you have on file, you see that all your payment options will be available. And you'll see here at the bottom, it says my current Google Pay amount. Again, mine shows the survey amount from earlier for 42 cents, which is also saying insufficient funds. So unfortunately, I can't become a member for this person because I do not have enough money in my Google Pay. But luckily, I did before to be able to donate to Nikki, and we were able to help him out over at RLG. And that's it. I hope this was very helpful for you in finding simple ways of getting money on Google towards donations and memberships. Now, if you could, please hit that subscribe button if you feel this is any way of help to you at all. And I appreciate you watching. I am Putty, wishing you a joyful day, and I'll see you in the next video.